Hey, so you want to learn how to kickstart your bot in 5 simple steps. Awesome. Okay, you're absolutely in the right place. Okay, if you hold out until the end of this short video, we're going to give you a super badass bonus just for you. Okay, we're going to show you how to get fresh, new leads every single day, set up your bot for success, and also how to write a killer bio that converts. And to wrap it up, okay, we're going to show you how to use social media to get those leads, retarget those leads, and as a bonus, well, 2 bonuses. Okay, bonus number 1, okay, we're going to show you how to make a super attractive landing page just like this one, and bonus number 2, your very own pre-built Facebook reviews template to get you 5-star ratings more than the Spice Girls. Okay, if you're ready, guys, hit that button right below.